Hi students, so today we are going to solve exercise 8.1 from NCERT. It's on introduction on trigonometry. So here what we have, the first question, in triangle ABC is a right angle triangle at B. AB is given as 24 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter. We have to find the value of sine A and cos A. So first let us draw one triangle. It's a right angle triangle. So in this particular triangle, it is right angle at the point B. Let it be A, let it be, let this one be A, this is A, and this is C. Now what we have to find out here, what is given? AB is given as 24 centimeter. That means this side is 24 centimeter. BC is given as 7 centimeter. So this is 7 centimeter. Okay. So from here, first of all, we have to find the value of AC. By applying, because this is 90 degree, by applying Pythagoras theorem, we get the value of AC. That is equals to root over of 24 square plus 7 square. That means 576 plus 49. So it is root over 625, 25. So the value of AC is 25 centimeter. Now from here, if I want to find the value of sine A, the value of sine A is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here it would be equals to 7 by 25. The value of cos A equals to base by hypotenuse. So it will become 24 by 25. Now in the next question again we have to find out the value of sine C and cos C. Okay. So sine C, according to this particular angle C, perpendicular is this AB. Okay, so if we want to find out the value of sine C, it will become 24 by 25. Cos C, for this angle base is this one, BC is the base, so cos C it will become 7 by 25. Okay, this was question number 1. Now question number 2. In this figure 8.13, we have to find the value of tan P minus cot R. Okay, so from this figure it is evident, first of all we have to find the value of QR. Again, by applying Pythagoras theorem, what would be the value of QR? It would be equals to root over 13 square minus 12 square. That means 169 minus 144, so root over 25, so it is equals to 5. QR equals to 5. Now once we get the value of QR, we have to find out tan P minus cot R. So what is the value of tan P? With respect to this angle P, QR is the perpendicular and PQ is a base. So tan P is equals to perpendicular by base. Okay, so it will give us 5 by 12 minus, next one is cot R. So for this one, PQ is the perpendicular, QR is the base. So base by perpendicular. So again we'll get 5 by 12. So the value is 0 for question number 2. Now for question number 3, what we have? Question number 1 to done. Yeah. For question number 3, what we have? Sin A equals to 3 by 4. We have to find the value of cos A and tan A. Okay. So how we can do it? Sin A equals to 3 by 4. Now if I draw the triangle, we can do it in many ways. So let me show you this one by using triangle. Sin A equal to 3 by 4. That means perpendicular by hypotenuse is equals to 3 by 4 given, right? If this is angle A, say this is B, this is C. So let us take perpendicular equal to 3k, hypotenuse equals to 4k. Now what is k? K not equal to 0 or plus minus infinity. Okay. Now here we have to find the value of AB. So by applying again Pythagoras theorem, what we get? AB is equals to 4k whole square minus 3k whole square. So 16k square minus 9k square, I am getting root over 7k square. That means root over 7k. Okay. So AB is equals to root over 7k. Now what do we have to find out? We have to find out the value of cos A. So first of all, we'll find the value of cos A. Cos A equals to base by hypotenuse. That means root over 7k by 4k. As k not equal to 0, that's why we can cancel the value of k. So it is becoming root over 7 by 4. Okay. Now again we have to find the value of tan A. Tan A is equals to perpendicular by base. So that means here it will become 3k by root over 7k. Again, as k is non-zero, so we can cancel k. So the value become 3 by root over 7. So it was question number 3. Next one is question number 4. In question number 4, what we have given 15 cot A equals to 8. We have to find the value of sin A and sec A. So question number 4, we have 15 cot A equals to 8. So again, if we draw the triangle, cot A means base by perpendicular. So here I'm getting the value of cot A as 8 by 15. So base by hypotenuse, if it is A, this is B, this is C. So this is the base is equals to 8k we can take, and hypotenuse 15k, where k not equal to 0 or plus minus infinity. Now from here, if I apply the Pythagoras theorem, I can, because this is 90 degree, I can get the value of AB. AB is equals to root over 15k whole square plus 8k whole square, root over of that. So that means 225k square plus 64k square. This one is equals to 289k square. So root over 289 is equals to 17. K square will come out of square root, it will become 17k. So the value of AB is equals to 17k. Okay. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of sin A and sec A. So from here, what is the value of sin A? Sin A is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? So it will become 15k by 17k. This k get cancelled, so that means we are getting the value as 15 by 17. Now what is the value of sec A? Sec A is actually reciprocal of cos. Cos means base by hypotenuse, so it will become hypotenuse by base. So that means it is equals to 17k by 8k. So again this k get cancelled as k non-zero, so the value will become 17 by 8. Okay, so this was question number 4. Now in question number 5, what do we have? The value of sec theta is given. We have to calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So value of sec theta equals to 13 by 12. So question number 5. So let us draw one triangle first. So here the value of sec theta is given as 13 by 12. So let this angle is theta. Okay. So sec theta is given as 13 by 12. Okay. So the value of sec theta is given as 13 by 12. Sec theta is actually the reciprocal of cos. That means base by hypotenuse. So here it is given hypotenuse by base. So that means we can take the hypotenuse as 13k, the base as 12k. So what is the value of the perpendicular then? If it is p, then we know p square plus 12k whole square equals to 13k whole square by applying Pythagoras theorem. So that means p square plus 144k square equals to 169k square. So that means p square is equals to 169k square minus 144k square, which is equals to in turn 25k square. So what is the value of p? The value of p equals to root over of 24k square. That will give us 5k. So the value of p is equals to 5k. Now from this picture, if I from this figure, if I want to find out the value of sine theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse. That means it will give me 5k by 13k. K get cancelled, so it will give me 5 by 13. What is cosec theta? Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine. That means it will give me 13 by 5. What is cos theta? Cos theta is the reciprocal of sec. That means directly we can write this as 12 by 13. What is tan theta? Tan theta is equals to perpendicular by base. That means here it will become 5k by 12k. This k get cancelled, so that means 5 by 12. What is cot theta? Cot is reciprocal of tan. That means it will become 12 by 5. So these are the values of other trigonometric ratios. Now question number 6. If angle A and B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos B, show that angle A equals to B. See, for a triangle, say this is the triangle ABC. So here, sorry, we can name it as ABC. Here it is given cos A equal to cos B. Okay. Now what is the value of cos A? Cos A for this particular angle, base is AC, height is BC. So cos A is AC by AB. What is the value of cos B? BC by AB. So this AB get cancelled. So we can say that AC equals to BC. So for this particular triangle ABC, this will become one isosceles triangle where the two sides AB and two sides BC and AC, they are equal. So that means the angle opposite to the side AC, which is angle B, is equal to the angle opposite to the side BC, that is equals to A. So angle A is equals to angle B, hence proved. This was question number 6. Now what do we have in question number 7? If cot theta is given as 7 by 8, we have to find the value of this. Okay, fine. So cot theta is given as 7 by 8. We need to find out 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Question number 7, part 1. Cot theta is given as 7 by 8. We need to find the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So in the numerator it's becoming 1 minus sin square theta. Like we are applying the formula a plus b into a minus b. This one is equals to a square minus b square. So 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta is there. That means it will become 1 square minus sin square theta. In the denominators, in the same way, it will become 1 minus cos square theta. Now 1 minus sin square theta, this is equals to cos square theta. And 1 minus cos square theta, this will become sin square theta. Because we know we have a formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, right? So from this formula, if I take sin square theta in the right hand side, it will become 1 minus sin square theta, and the value will become cos square theta. In the same way, if we take cos square theta in the right hand side, here it will become 1 minus cos square theta, which is equal to sin square theta, right? Now this cos square theta by sin square theta, cos by sin, this is actually equals to cot, so it will become cot square theta, right? Now what is the value of cot? Cot is 7 by 8. So it will become 7 by 8 whole square. That means 49 by 64. Okay. Now in the next part what we have to find the value of cot square theta. Same thing, we already found the value of cot square theta. That means that is equals to 49 by 64. Right. Now question number 8. So what we have in question number 8. If 3 cot A is equals to 4, we have to check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equals to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Okay. So 3 cot A equals to 4, it is given. 3 cot A equals to 4. So from there we get the value of cot A as 4 by 3. Now if cot A equal to 4 by 3, what will be the value of tan A? Tan is the reciprocal of cot. That means its value will be equal to 3 by 4. Now in the LHS part we have 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A, right? So if I put the value of tan A here, so it will become 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. So that means it will become 1 minus 9 by 16 by 1 plus 9 by 16. 16 is the LCM, so you'll get 16 minus 9, 7 in the numerator. Here you'll get 16 plus 9, that means 25 in the denominator. So 7 by 25 is the value. Now in the RHS we have this one is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. So that means we need to find out cos A and sin A from here, where the value of tan equal to 3 by 4. So think about this triangle, tan A equal to 3 by 4, that means 3k by 4k. So that means what would be the hypotenuse this case? 3k whole root over of 3k whole square plus 4k whole square. 3k whole square means 9k square, 4k whole square means 16k square. So that means root over of 9 plus 16, 25k square. So it will give me 5k, right? So from here, what is the value of cos A? The value of cos A, it would be equals to base by hypotenuse, that means 4k by 5k. K get cancelled, so it will become 4 by 5. What is the value of sin A? Sin A equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse, that means 3k by 5k. K get cancelled, so it will become 3 by 5. Okay. Now in the RHS part, what we have? Cos square A minus sin square A. We already got the value of cos A, we already got the value of sin A, right? So that means if we put the values here, 4 by 5 whole square minus 3 by 5 whole square. 4 by 5 whole square means 16 by 25. So here we have 9 by 25. If we do 25 is the LCM, 16 minus 9, so it will give us 7 by 25, which is equal to the LHS, and hence proved. Okay, this was question number 8. Now in question number 9, what we have, in a triangle ABC, right angle at B, tan A is given as 1 by root 3. We have to find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Okay, question number 9. So we have one triangle here, right angle at B. Right angle at B. That this is A, this is C. The value of tan A is given as 1 by root 3. Okay, tan A is given as 1 by root 3. What we have to find out? We have to find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So tan A 1 by root 3, that means we can see this perpendicular, it is 1, the base it is root 3. Let it be 1k, this is root 3k. So from there the hypotenuse equals to root over of 1k whole square, that means k square, plus root 3k whole square, root 3k whole square. So that means root over k square plus 3k square, root over of 4k square, that means 2k. Okay, so the hypotenuse is 2k. Now what is the value of here? What is the value of sin A then? Sin A equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse, 1k by 2k, that means 1 by 2. What is the value of cos A? Cos A equals to base by hypotenuse, that means root 3k by 2k, that means root 3 by 2. What is the value of sin C? Sin C equals to again perpendicular by hypotenuse, it will become root 3 by 2. What is the value of cos C? Base by hypotenuse, like 1k by 2k, that means it will become 1 by 2. Now from here, if I want to find out the value of sin A cos C minus cos A sin C, and if I put the value sin A equal to 1 by 2, cos C equals to 1 by 2. Was it minus or plus? Yes, it is plus. Cos A, the value of cos A, that is equals to how much? Cos A, root 3 by 2, and sin C, that is equals to root 3 by 2. So what we are getting, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4, root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, it's giving us 3 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, 1 is the answer. Okay, so 9 part 2 is just same like 9 part 1. And in question number 10, what do we have? In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR is given as 25, PQ is given as 5. You have to determine the value of sin P, cos P, and tan P. Okay, so we can draw the figure here only. So PQR, I'm going to draw the triangle PQR. Yes, so you have a triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So let it be P, let it be R. And here PQ is given, the value of PQ is given as 5 centimeter. PR plus QR is given as 25 centimeter. Okay, yeah. So if QR is X, this PR, it will become 25 minus X, right? Now on this particular triangle, if I apply the Pythagoras rule, what do I get? X square plus 5 square, that is equals to 25 minus x whole square. That means x square plus 25 equal to 25 square, that means 625, minus 2 into 25 into x, that means 50x, plus x square, that means I have applied a minus b whole square formula. Now from both sides this x square get cancelled, so I'm getting 50x equals to 625 minus 25, 600. This 0 get cancelled, by 5 if I cancel I'll get 12. So the value of x equals to 12. So if the value of x equals to 12, that means PQ equals to 12 and PR, that is equals to 13. Okay. Now from here what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. Now from here if I try to find out the value of, say, sin P first, sin P. So for sin P I'm getting perpendicular by hypotenuse, that means 12 by 13. For cos P I'm getting the value as base by hypotenuse, that means 5 by 13. And for tan P I'm getting perpendicular by base, that means 12 by 5, and this should be our answer. Okay, for question number 10. Done. So thank you for watching, students.